Hi guys, I'm back again. Another unboxing. Another influencer box just came. So we're going to open it. I only want to open it and share it with you guys. Okay. Yay! Some good stuff. Probiotic gummies, you know it. Digestive system right, you know. We need that. Ooh. Some skinny pop, popcorn, sea salt flavored. It's in a box, y'all. That's cool. So we got that. Some good stuff up in here. Shampoo and conditioner. Coconut milk. Live clean. This is awesome. I want to smell it. I gotta open it to smell it. I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. If only there was smell-o-vision. You guys could smell it with me. Shampoo smells awesome. I think they got it in the wrong bottle though. Oh no. It's the right bottle. Okay. Okay. What is this? Ooh, we got some charcoal paper mask. Awesome. Yes to your new favorite LBM little black mask with charcoal to detoxify and clean pores. Wow. Amazing. Can't wait to use this. How to use. Gently unfold mask and apply to clean skin. Adjust around eyes, nose, and mouth. Smoothing to fit the curves of your gorgeous face. Close eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Remove mask. Tingling. Yes, it's working. Awesome. Can't wait to try this. And some of these. Embarrassed look. Okay, that was my unboxing. Hope that you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe and thumbs up. Okay, love you. Bye. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day. Smooches, wooches. This was an awesome unboxing. This is the first one I've ever got that was this big. So I'm like really happy with this one. Completely. Still got some more unboxings coming up though. I think I've got a pantry one that didn't come yet still. And another one of these ones. So please like and share my videos. Thank you. Love you guys. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you. Love you.